What's up guys, this is Babs here and I'm back with another video. Today I'm playing Iron Bread. It's been a long time. Well, actually haven't been a long time, but still okay long time. But yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna play Rampage mode today, and I already played Rampage mode a little. I yeah. So I already tried to do a recording, but I kind of broke the game. Yeah, that happened. Come on, smash the. Oh yeah. So if you didn't figure it out already, in Rampage mode, just need to rampage and smash as much stuff as you can. And I don't know what just happened there. Come on, grab it and then smash it. Oh man, I love how it like goes slow motion, so you don't have any amount of grip time, so you or anything. You just got you don't got any ability because you're fluid or whatever you call it in English. I don't know, but yeah, it's awesome. It's really satisfying. It's like I love smashing. I love smashing stuff up. I'm like they call me the Smash Kid or what? Okay, no, yeah, nobody calls me that. Also, pretty glad that they don't call me that, because, come on, let's be honest, kind of crappy name. Okay, so, I wanna, what is happening with the controls, man? Acting all cray and shit up. Oh, you will not defeat me. Oh, they're so pretty and beautiful. I don't want to smash you, psyched. Down. Oh, I already smashed that. Ah, I hate you, glasses. Down with you. Down with you. Oh, snap. Down with you. Down. Oh, snap. Oh, I'm flying, guys. Oh, snap. What? Landed. I'm a ninja, guys. I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. And I like to dance. Whoa. Come on. Come on. I like to rock it. Oh, gosh. I got A plus. I'm sorry, man. I just get so hyped when I get to smash stuff. So we got A plus. That's great. So actually A plus plus. So that's the best score you can get, and that is just like bacon in my mouth. I don't know why I said that. I'm sorry. Whoa, 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 whoa! It's raining glass. Hallelujah. Oh, what? Come on. Oh, smash that shit up, guys. So, boom, boom, boom. Come on, catch that glass in the sky. Oh my glob. Oh my glob, guys. I got an idea. Well, yes. Oh yes. Huh, huh, ha 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 ha. So, wouldn't it be a shame if something would happen to this beautiful TV? I wonder. Maybe. Yes. What? I only have C. Yes. Smash all the plates, guys. I need more stuff to smash, man. I need more to smash. First you had a taste of the smashing you can't get. Okay, yeah, wait a minute. Oh, dang. Ruin all of that shit. Ow! Help! Getting attacked by the pitcher. Guys. Apparently I can speak either. No! Bloody, I hate you. I will get you one day. Oh man. Okay, well we got A plus. Best level of luck. Okay. So yeah, let's get started on the next level. Oh damn. That post out. Oh my, come on. 2. Yeah. Oh yeah. Smashing shit up. In the apartment. Down you go. And down. Oh snap. Ah! Okay, I need something good to smash soon. I see you, Planty. You can't hide from me. I am Brit. I have been reborn as an other Brit. And now I'm back to smash shit up. Okay, good for you, Brit. Aha. No. It's great for me. Okay. Yes. Haha. No, what is happening? Yes. Get Rick plane. Wait, what? You, oh man, you kidding me? You, oh shit, the Jam. Ah, Jam was trying to kill me, guys. Good thing I killed the Jam before it killed me. Can't even talk, guys. I'm too smashing shit. Too smashing shit, yeah, that's, I good English. Come on. Yes, I am the best of the smashing shit. Ruin the plates. I hate the plates. Oh shit, where am I? Ah! Oh damn. I got A++. Guys, oh, yes. Whoa! I said smash shit up in my last moments. Beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, sorry. So okay, let's a little try to introduce the next level. Okay. Oh damn, it's the toilet, guys. If I can get out of here. Oh, I know what's happening, guys. Damn! Oh shit! Ah! Oh no! Oh, I thought I was gonna. Yes! The satisfaction of smashing shit up. Ah ha ha! Is this domino? Guys? Oops. Yes. Smash that shit up. Yeah, okay, that wasn't actually that great. Ha. Yes. Nobody cares about the flute, so the flute doesn't care about you. It's actually pretty hard to capture and okay, yeah. Sorry. I'm getting too weird, man. Yeah. I smash it up and I do it good. Actually, I'm not doing such a great job on this level. What is happening? Ah! Oh, okay. That's right. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Wait, get away from me, duckies. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Come on. Yes. Whoa! Man, I knew you had a drinking problem, Planty. You have too much beer here. That's not good, guys. But nobody cares about Planty, okay? He's an evil bastard. Killed my family. No! Come on. Oh man. Worst level so far. Well, okay. You can't win them all, guys, okay? So let's just hit on at the next level. Okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay. This could be good. Yeah. Come on. Trying to smash your work with me. Oh shit. Oh. I just really want to smash you because you look so easy to smash, but die. Oh no. Oh God. Oh shit. What is? No. Oh shit. Yes. Smashing begins, and it feels great. And oh my God, guys! I think we got something here. Ooh, I see ya. I see something. Okay, guys, just don't ask me what I see. Okay, I see shit, man. Oh, smash, smash! Whoa! 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 Oh, shit! I'm flying, guys. Oh. Hey, how's you doing? How are you doing, man? Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Oh my God. Okay, whatever, man. We're losing time. Oh shit, we only. Oh, dang! I'm stuck. Guys, help me, I'm stuck. I'm stuck, guys. Can't get out, man. Can't get out. No. I actually am stuck now. Can't get the heck out. No. Guys, the time's gonna run out. Don't. Oh man. Well, this is yeah. We started off doing good. Nope, not doing good. Well, I guess just going on next level. Just so trash, man. Yeah. Okay, so oh man, we did so crappy that we couldn't even pass the level. Well, let's. Oh no, I'm not gonna fall down. Down at this time. I won't let you, Brett. Oh my God. Get smash that shit, guys. Smash that shit. Smash the shit up. Oh dang. Wait, what? No. Stop it. Oh, that's right. Oh God, stop getting stuck. God damn it. Yes. The destruction, the humanity, the bread, I guess. I don't know. Yes. Whoa. I love you, Flute. I love you. Come on, smack. Oh man, combo. This level is so annoying because there's so much crap you get stuck on. Like you can't even control it. Hate you. I want you to get smashed. Hey, down we go. Smash this shit. Come on. Yes, smash the chairs. You can do it, Flute. You can do it. I don't know. What are you doing, Flute? Just smash it. Oh no, I'm getting crushed, guys. You. Okay, no, but really, guys, I'm getting crushed. So, throw yourself. No, what are you doing? No. Oh my gosh, we got a D. We didn't even pass, guys. We did. Oh my gosh, I suck. I can't believe I suck so much. Okay. Oh. Huh? We did it. Apparently, probably accidentally pressed retry this level. Oh my God, I'm stupid. Yes. See more stuff we smash, the better it is. Oh snap. Wait, what am I doing down here? I don't want to be down here. Why is the cups are floating, guys? Cups are floating? It's magic, guys. No, but really, the cups are floating. Smash. Oh, it's actually pretty hard to steer the flipping flute. No. Flute. Bad flute. Guys. Okay, good. Smash the shit out of the flipping bottles. Can't believe it. Oh shit. How many times have I told you you shouldn't go to space, Flute? Okay? Sorry. Yeah, you better be sorry. Ugh. Oh snap. How the hell did I set that on fire? I will smash you all. Uh-huh. Good. Doing good so far. Yes. 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 Not so yes. 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 Come on. You can do it. Oh, snap. No. No. Aw, man. We almost. But did. Aw, man. Guys. Can't believe it. Okay. Oh shit. Well, I have to say goodbye to you for this episode. So I'll see you next time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like. It will help me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. And feel free to leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you next time. And goodbye. Bye.